Introduce yourself for a second here.
My name's Daniel.
Should I take that? Or were you guys? What time is it? I have no idea.
It's just after
7:10.
So we're out for 40 minutes.
About. I would just take it out for 5 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead.
And then we'll
I'll take some video.
head back to work.
Get to work.
L7 is not work. It's just fun. This is my Canada.
You know what? You know what? That was fun. I enjoyed that.
Let's go. Awesome.
How are we doing this wild trip? Like, I don't understand.
It was your idea.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Actually, it was.
Hold it. No, that's all good. I gotta practice.
First time.
This is my first. Are you recording right now?
Get the
Okay,
weight
it's
down.
It's not my first time voice.
You want me to turn it around?
No, it's not. We'll go. That's what you say! I'm just testing it out. Do I have to? No. The captain is always with the ship.
Don't die. Alright, ready?
Hey, it's amazing. Hey, that thing's barely in the water.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to just do a straight line.
Hey, guys, I'll bring the kayak over there.
Alright. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, actually. It's a little bit tippy, but honestly,
Yeah.
it's not bad. That's to be expected. I think she thinks that we're one of the boats.
Going that fast.
Yeah, legit. What's the nerve?
Good try. Keep up to the rowers.
Yeah, legit.
Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh!
Okay. Try and do it like a dramatic turn now.
Ready?
Yeah.
Face the waves! Face the waves!
No, it's just fine. No, it feels great. You guys found a really good find here, eh? Oh yeah. Okay, try your other side. Testing out your durability here. What's the ambidextrous? You can use both
Yeah.
both hands, right? Yeah. Oh wow, I feel this is. Oh wow, now we're flying.
We got the current on our side.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're flying now. Yep.
Sure. Or should we just go right there?
Is that where we? No, we got
We didn't launch there, but we can go over there.
little tunnel there. Go to that little hole there. Yeah.
Well, we can.
We can. We can. Just gonna drift in a bit.
Yeah.
J-stroke.
Oh, there's a fork.
J-stroke.
Cool. Hey, it's totally fine.
I like it.
Yeah, this is actually fantastic. Yeah,
You guys were ripping on the way back.
yeah, dude. No, it's absolutely fantastic. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
pleased with. Tellio.
Jolly-o!
Where's your floppers, James?
That's light. This is lighter than that kayak.
Yep.
Is it?
Yep.
It's hard to say what it is.
All I know is that this canoe is fantastic.
Really?
It's actually really good, yeah. I like it.
You guys heard it. Fantastic, he says.
Fantastic.
It's usually my adjective for most things, but in this case, I wouldn't say that.
First trip, success.